to go.
Okay, it's ready to go?
Mm-hmm.
It's filming?
Yeah.
Okay. Sorry about the confusion, folks. This is all part of the plan and the program. So, this is your friendly YouTuber by the name of Bladester on YouTube. Anyway, this little tool is called your torsion wrench. These are each different picks. I'm going to show you a quick crash course on how to pick a doorknob lock. I've got a doorknob here that I never had a key for, and hopefully I can manage to show you how to pick the lock. My way of doing it, you take your torsion wrench, put it in the bottom where the pins are not at. Keep applying pressure to your wrench. The next, you take one of the picks and slide it in the lock. And you work each individual pin. And then as soon as you get each lock in place, it will move. Simple as that. And it gets harder the more that you do it. But the more you do it, the sooner you get